Why do we all have to wear these ridiculous ties? On with our equipment. Shut up! I can't be bothered right now. Excuse me, Gordon, but I'm rather busy now. Put that down. It's a prototype.
Access granted.
Hey! Eat this, you bastard! No! Stop!
No! No! I don't want to die! No! Dark!
Quiet! Freeman! Bastard!
Ah, yes, you're
Silence!
right, Gordon.
Go right on through, sir. Looks like you're in the barrel today.
Yeah, maybe. All I know for sure is he's been killing my buddies.
Yep.
So, who is this guy?
Oh shit! Move that ass! Stay here! Bastard! Go! Freeman!
What are you trying to do? I wish it hadn't come to this.
Quiet! Neutralize! Bastard! Hostiles! In! Bastard! Move!
If you let us all die, Freeman, you'll never get out of here.
Quiet, you bastard!
Absolutely not. Oh my.
I have something for you!
Oh no. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? As I expected. No!
Bastard! Hold your fire!
Aim for the head if you don't mind it. End of the line for you. What do you want on your tombstone? Alright? Go for it. Okay, we might live longer if we work together. Don't bet on it. Think we're getting any closer? Roger that. Let's run like hell.